So, hello, good day. My name is Mark Gabriel B. Cuenta, and I'm going to present the BPSK modulation, which is in the Experiment 7, Part 2. So, moving on to the topic BPSK in Teams. So, in this activity, it is a group activity which is consisted of me, Mark Gabriel B. Cuenta, Sean Gabriel B. Sean Gabriel Yupeles, Johanna Gabriel Mercado, and Alan Cyril Uy. So moving on, so what is the binary phase shift keying or BPSK? So the binary phase shift keying is a widely used modulation technique in digital communication system for transmitting binary data over a communication channel. So it is also known for its simplicity and effectiveness, making it a popular choice in application where communication channel is susceptible to noise and interference. So during so this diagram shows the modulation process for the binary phase shift keying or BPSK. So during the modulation process in BPSK, symbols are represented as a phase shifts in the carrier signal. So a binary zero is transmitted with a 180-degree phase shift, whereas a binary 1 is transmitted with no phase changes. So to make the data transmission easier, phase shift information is encoded into the carrier signal, which makes two constellation points are shown along the x in the phase in the constellation diagram for BPSK. Then, the y-axis or quadrature is devoid of points because BPSK only use one basis function. So all of the information being transmitted in the carrier by the carrier's wave phase. So let's talk about the how we did the experiment in the laboratory setup using Teams. Oops. So the equipments that we used for this is the Teams module, the multiplier, line code encoder, phase shifter, sequence generator, tunable LPF, decision maker, line code decoder, connecting wires, and the computer unit. Moving on to the results. So the figure 1.1 is the BPSK without line codes decode encoder. So in this experiment, so a line code encoder was not used in the first method of the BPSK generation. So the output was a BPSK, which caused a phase shift where the waveform appears to repeat itself whenever the signal is a logic 1. Then, when a signal represents a logic 0, the BPSK signal produced by this method is inconsistent and does not exhibit a phase shift. As we can see in the picture below on the diagram, so it is not consistent. Moving on to the figure 1.2, the BPSK with line code encoder module. So in this activity, so the result we gathered is uh, due to the line encoder is present in the second method of the producing a BPSK signal, wherein the phase shift is still distinctly irregular using this method, but this method differs in that it is occasionally cause a phase shift when a logic 1 switches to logic 0. Then lastly, the BPSK demodulation. So in this experiment, we do the demodulation process wherein the original signal is obtained in this figure by passing the generated signal through a phase shifter, a multiplier, and a tunable LPF. So the modulating yields a message that displays a wrapped image of the original waveform. So with noise present in the square waves, so it is generated for every state of transition from logic 1 to logic 0 or logic 0 to logic 1. So the modulated output displays the same waveform as the original signal excluding any noise. So the noise, as we can see here, is static. Then conclusion. So in this experiment, the binary phase shift keying, generation, and demodulation were successfully implemented using the TIMS module. So the activity demonstrated how binary data can be transmitted by shifting the carrier phase by 0 degrees and 180 degrees, representing logic 1 and logic 0 respectively. Through the use of the sequence generator, multiplier, phase shifter, and low pass filter, and a decision maker, the transmitted signal was accurately recovered at the receiver. So the observed waveform confirmed that the BPSK is a simple yet effective modulation technique, especially in the presence of noise. So overall, the objectives of generating, analyzing, and modulating a BPSK signal were achieved, enhancing the understanding of digital phase modulation and communication system. So this is our proof of performance of the activity. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy and learn in this explanation.